Richards, founder from Sew With Me, sewing classes for everyone, and today I show you how to sew. Today I show you how to thread a sewing machine. You need a very good thread for the sewing machine. That's the one with a little bit tension on it. And you put this on your thread holder. And with your left hand, you guide the thread. The right hand holds the tension. You should never try freehand to threaden your machine. This is much more complicated as you would do it as I show you now. So your right hand holds the tension and the left hand is guiding the thread through. So the most machines have already some arrows or numbers which guide you through the system of the machine. Now my machine has here arrows and I follow them. I have to come here, then I go through the tension. Here's the tension plate. I'm going around here, then I bring up the needle pole. You do this with the hand wheel on the right in case it is gone. Yeah? This goes every time parallel with the needle. I hook here in, and then I have here on the needle my last hook. Cut every time the thread so that you have a nice fresh cut. Release the presser foot and threaden your machine. Now we have threaded the machine through the needle. The next stage is to insert the bobbin into the bobbin case. That's the bobbin, that's the bobbin case. This machine has a vertical bobbin case here. We have also machines where you have a drop-in one. This is on the top, but this machine is threaded in this way. You have to have the thread coming from up to down. Then you hold it, and here is a little opening. You insert the bobbin, glide the thread here into it, and put the thread under the tension. Then I turn this bobbin case, insert it into the bobbin case holder, and you need to hear the clicking sound. If you don't hear this, don't sew. Step 3, you need to bring the bobbin thread up on the surface. So you hold with your left hand the needle thread, take your right hand to the swing wheel, put the needle all the way down, up again, and if you look carefully, you see already here the loop coming, taking the lower thread. When the needle is on the highest position, you pull only with your left hand the thread up, and look at that, here is the loop. You hold it like that, bring it under the presser foot to the back, close the little door or the department, and this is how to thread your sewing machine.